Hey everybody, how you all doing? Are you okay in your neck of the woods? Happy 4th of July. How could I not come to wish you all happy independence? From my Jamaican kitchen to wherever you are, blessed, happy independence, happy grilling, happy baking, happy, what that thing there now, jerking, happy everything. Happy, most of all, happy eating. I wish you all a very blessed, prosperous, fulfilled day with you and your family, whatever your choice of event is. I just want to say once more, from my Jamaican kitchen to wherever you are, it's a blessed 4th of July. And I know some of you all maybe I do hope you'll be taking up 1 or 2 of my recipes on the cooking channel. And please, all of you who are doing any of my recipes, please send something for me. Please send me some of your backyard grilling. You don't have to send me everything in depth and all of that. I would love to see some of the meals that you're preparing. You all who know to hook me up on WhatsApp and all of that, please man. Jolene, Redat, well, me know say Redat, she dey on the ball already. I'm looking for pictures any moment now. Angela, all of you who are in tune with me on WhatsApp, Instagram and all of that, just send me some of your 4th of July baking, grilling and barbecuing and all of that. So once more, from my Jamaican kitchen to wherever you are, it's a happy blessed 4th of July. Remember, before good food waste, make belly bust.